Happy New Year! Let's tackle that weight loss resolution together. This video isn't about fad diets or unrealistic promises, it's about achieving sustainable results. We'll explore proven strategies for shedding pounds responsibly and effectively. The fast aspect refers to seeing quicker progress through combining effective techniques, not through extreme measures that could harm your health. We'll focus on practical tips and tricks that can be easily integrated into your lifestyle. Get ready to learn how to make this year your healthiest yet. Before diving into specific tips, let's understand your body. Metabolic rate, or how quickly your body burns calories, varies greatly from person to person. Body type also plays a role in how your body responds to diet and exercise. Generic weight loss plans rarely work effectively because they ignore these individual differences. A personalized strategy considers your unique metabolism and body composition to create a plan that's tailored for optimal results. This means focusing on sustainable lifestyle changes that work for you, not a one-size-fits-all approach. Success starts with smart goals. Instead of aiming for vague weight loss, set specific targets, like lose 1 to 2 pounds per week. Make sure your goals are measurable, so you can track your progress. Choose achievable targets. Extreme weight loss is unsustainable. Ensure your goals are relevant to your overall health and lifestyle. Finally, set a realistic timeframe. Gradual weight loss is healthier and more sustainable than rapid weight loss. Avoid unrealistic expectations and celebrate small victories along the way. Remember, consistency is key for long-term success. Diet plays a crucial role. Focus on a balanced diet packed with nutrient-rich foods. Fill your plate with fruits, vegetables, lean protein sources like chicken or fish, and whole grains. These provide sustained energy and essential nutrients. Portion control is vital. Eating smaller, more frequent meals can help regulate blood sugar and prevent overeating. Practice mindful eating. Pay attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Avoid distractions while eating and savor each bite. By making conscious food choices and paying attention to portion sizes, you can significantly impact your weight loss journey. Exercise is key for weight loss and overall health. Cardiovascular exercise, like running or swimming, burns calories and improves cardiovascular health. Strength training builds muscle mass, which boosts metabolism and helps you burn more calories even at rest. The combination of both is ideal. However, the most important aspect is finding activities you enjoy. Whether it's dancing, hiking, or team sports, choosing enjoyable activities increases your likelihood of sticking to a regular exercise routine. Consistency is far more important than intensity. Find a sustainable exercise plan you can maintain long-term. Staying hydrated is often overlooked but crucial for weight loss. Water plays a vital role in numerous bodily functions, including metabolism. Drinking plenty of water helps your body process calories more efficiently. It can also help curb appetite, as sometimes thirst is mistaken for hunger. Adequate hydration supports overall health and well-being, contributing to better energy levels and improved physical performance. Carry a water bottle throughout the day and aim to drink consistently, especially before, during, and after exercise. Listen to your body's thirst signals and ensure you're consistently well hydrated. Prioritize sleep. Adequate sleep is surprisingly crucial for weight management. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more ghrelin, the hunger hormone, and less leptin, the hormone that signals fullness. This imbalance leads to increased appetite and cravings, making it harder to stick to your diet. Lack of sleep also slows down your metabolism, making it more difficult to lose weight. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night to regulate these hormones and support your weight loss efforts. Prioritizing sleep improves overall well-being, boosting energy levels and mental clarity, which are essential for a successful weight loss journey. Stress can significantly impact your weight. When stressed, your body releases cortisol, a hormone that can lead to increased appetite and fat storage, particularly around the abdomen. Chronic stress makes weight loss more challenging. Incorporating stress management techniques is vital. Simple practices like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises can help lower cortisol levels and reduce stress. These techniques promote relaxation, improve sleep quality, and support overall well-being, creating a more favorable environment for successful weight management. Find a stress reduction method you enjoy and practice it regularly. Weight loss is easier with support. Share your goals with friends, family, or a support group. Their encouragement can make a big difference. Consider seeking guidance from a registered dietitian or personal trainer for personalized advice. Accountability is key. Using fitness trackers or apps can help you monitor your progress and stay motivated. These tools provide valuable data, allowing you to see your achievements and identify areas needing improvement. The support of others and the accountability provided by tracking tools are powerful aids in staying committed to your weight loss goals and achieving long-term success. Remember, sustainable weight loss is a journey, not a race. We've covered key strategies: setting realistic SMART goals, focusing on a balanced diet and regular exercise, prioritizing sleep and managing stress, and seeking support. Consistency and patience are crucial. Don't get discouraged by setbacks. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. This year, make a commitment to your health and well-being. Start your weight loss journey today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more health tips, and share your experiences in the comments below. Let's support each other on this path to a healthier, happier you.